Hey folks, this is our third day in Kansas. We're going to get in the deer blind, a ground blind, down over this milo field back behind us, a few hundred yards away. We're kind of late getting in staying this afternoon. We're looking forward to a good hunt. We've got a real cold northeast wind, which is perfect for this setup. Looking forward to a good sit. Maybe some of those deer will come out and show up this evening. Kansas deer hunting. Let's get our gun and get in the blind before it gets too much later. Let's go get set up, see if we have a good night's sit. Well, we're in our blind, getting settled in. Glad to be out of that wind. It's whipping here in Kansas today. We got a big milo field. We can see several hundred yards. The guide tells us these deer have been coming in the evening, the does first and the bucks late, just like probably anywhere. We're excited about the afternoon. This is our third afternoon. We have seen some good, decent deer. Nice 10-point the first morning that we passed on, and then a few small bucks since then, and a lot of does. But we're hoping that big mature deer will come out this afternoon and we'll get an opportunity. We're just going to sit and see what happens. Got some does coming in. First deer coming in. It's like does and little ones. Good sign though. Well, we've got several does out in the milo a good ways from us now. We're just watching them feed. Still got plenty of time for more deer to come in. It's been a great hunt so far, hunting with Rader Lodge here in Kansas. That beautiful young 10-point we saw the first morning, a 2.5-year-old deer, probably a low 120 class deer. Got him rubbing a tree, gave us plenty of shot opportunities, just not what we came here for. We have seen turkeys every single time we've been in the woods. I think one morning we probably saw close to 100. We got a big bobcat on film coming out. Came across the field, put a stalk on the turkeys. That was real neat to see that. He was unsuccessful. Just been a lot of fun. It's just good to be outside hunting. My first trip to Kansas. We've had a great time the last 3 days. Hoping it happens for us today. Here comes a buck. It's a good buck. It's a good buck. I think it might be a shooter. I'm going to have to wait. I hope he comes down that wood line and comes in the milo. He's walking that way. Yeah, he's a good deer. He's a good mature deer. I think I'm going to take him. We've got a few minutes left. He's just an edge edge of the hollow. I'm gonna take him. Meh. God, yeah. Oh, it's a good deer. Man, that's a good deer. Oh, he's in the hollow. Oh, make sure he's down, not getting up. He's done. He's done. He's not moved. He's not moved. Oh, man. That's a good Kansas deer. Oh, goodness. Let's just give it a little while before we go check him out. Just keep our eyes on him. Well, we got us a good deer. Not sure how many points. A lot of points. I think he's maybe an 11 point, maybe a 12. Shot him at about just under 200 yards out here in the Milo. We watched him fall. We think we've got him marked pretty well. Let's go see what we got. Pretty sure where I marked him go down, he shouldn't be just right up here. If he's up here a little further, I think it should be just off this point of these woods. We gotta look at our big Kansas whitetail. Oh man. God, he's got some mass on him. Oh goodness. Let's see, look at the body on this deer. Oh, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Big 9 point. Looks like you almost injured this beam. It's kind of way it bows in so much. But boy, that's a good deer. Up here hunting with Rader Lodge in Kansas. We got an ice storm scheduled to come in during the night tonight before daylight tomorrow. We pheasant hunted this morning. We've been deer hunting the last couple days. And this afternoon we felt like we had a good setup on a blind. We had moved into this Milo field. Gosh, 28 deer or so. Several rack bucks. This was the biggest one here before dark. Man, he's good. Look at all the character around his bases. Real good deer, real good deer. Oh goodness, I couldn't be happier.